The LG logo, a stylized image of a human face in red. Life's good. Text, explaining and resolving a DL error code on an LG washing machine.
Explaining and resolving a DL error code on an LG washing machine. If your LG washing machine is displaying a DL error code, this indicates that the door latch switch is not functioning properly. A DL error can occur when an item is caught inside the door switch is malfunctional, or the door latch has been damaged. To troubleshoot, first remove all items from the washer.
A woman takes a pink waffle weave blanket out of the washer.
Next, unplug the washer for 10 seconds. Then plug it back in, and try to start the cycle again. If the DL error code persists, the unit will require repair service. Please go to lg.com/us/support and visit our Request a Repair page.
The LG logo. Text, learn more at lg.com.